What's for dinner? Those 3 words keep moms up at night, trying to find creative solutions that are nutritious and somewhat easy to make. As you can imagine, answers to this question get a bit more complicated when you live on a boat. First, there's the issue of actually finding a grocery store and finding a way to get there. Then, you need to get it all back to the boat, usually via dinghy. And finally, you need to find a spot to store all of that food so that it's organized and easily accessible for when you have a craving for some odd ingredient you bought 3 islands back. Brad and I have always enjoyed cooking, but living aboard has definitely forced us to bring our skills to new heights. We don't often have access to a lot of convenient foods, and fresh stuff is always at a premium, so we have to get creative in order to keep morale high. Here's a little peek inside the galley of Hangtime. Since I was talking about food a bit in this video, I just thought I'd show you around the kitchen in Hangtime. It's a little bit different cooking on a boat, but I really have to say that I do love the galley. We're really lucky because we have a full microwave, we have a freezer that's big enough. We can hold enough meat to last us for a month or 2 if we really need it. We can also sneak some special treats in there for the kids. We have this awesome 2-drawer fridge, so there's room for lots of produce, cheese, fresh food, beer, milk, all that stuff. We have an awesome 2 sinks, lots of room for doing all the dishes, and trust me, we do a lot of them. Beautiful oven, it's Italian made. Kids have covered up the brand of it, but it works super well. It's in Celsius, so a little bit of conversion, but really happy with what comes out of there. 4-burner gas stove, which is awesome. We run it off with propane. It's just great, lots of room to do all the cooking that we need. And yeah, some storage upstairs. And then we also use the vanity behind the master sink, and we use that for storage, kind of like our pantry, dry goods and everything. So it's just a few steps from the kitchen, and it's really helpful to have everything close at hand. So we have huge cabinets behind the sink here. I'm not really sure what else I would use them for, so to have them for food storage is really helpful.
We are making sugar cookies for the lemonade stand that does not sell lemonade, but it sells baked goods and popcorn.
This afternoon from 3:30 to 5 o'clock, some kids plan to do a lemonade stand. We won't have lemonade though. We'll have baked goods and popcorn. Please bring your own bowl. Come to the back of Caras 5 in Maho Bay. To keep with social distancing guidelines, please stand off if there are already customers being served. There will be some tasty treats you can get for sundowners. Again, that's from 1530 hours to 1700 hours behind Caras 5 in Maho Bay. Caras 5 out.
What's going on today, Adelaide?
We're baking things to sell to other boaters.
What's on the menu?
We've got cookie bars, we have mini loaves that we're gonna make. Hangtime is making little sugar cookies, and Fearless is gonna pop some popcorn. So I think one person can be bookkeeper, keeping track of what we get and which boats and things, and the other person can be using gloves for COVID safety, not with the money.
What you doing, Gavin?
Pop the popcorn! Woohoo! 7. Bowls for popcorn. Have a nice day. We hope to see you soon. Hope to see you soon. Starting down.
I did. Do you need...
Can you buy a cookie bar for me?
There you go.
Yeah, well, we have endless popcorn pretty much because Brittany gave us those big, huge tubs.
I'm not sure how
How
you're
much are we getting paid?
I don't know. No, it depends on how much we what.
So as I sit here enjoying another beautiful day, you know I'm asking myself, what's for dinner?